Hello everyone, we would like to go through some of our frequently asked questions which myself and Nikki are often asked about when a driving instructor wants to join our franchise, and often about the 2-week free trial that we offer as well. So Nikki, if you want to fire away with your first question.
What does driveJohnson's offer that is different to other national driving schools?
The main thing is the work. We often come across instructors that have been with other national driving schools, and it might be a year or 2 years, and they were promised the work, and over the course of that time they haven't received the pupils that they needed basically. We offer the 2-week trial, so you can kind of see that we're good for the work first, and obviously if we give you the pupils that you need within the 2-week trial, that should give you the confidence to want to join us. On top of that, I think we're the only franchise out there that offers just 4 weeks notice to leave, which is quite uncommon for a national driving school. Obviously we do have like a mini agreement, but for your peace of mind, we just do 4 weeks notice.
Yeah, I think it's also important to say as well that we are a company that actually do care. We're not just interested on getting bums on seats. We do actually care about the individual and their requirements. What does driveJohnson's offer that is different from your local driving school?
I'd say the main thing is the strength of our marketing. A lot of the local companies, the owner is often still out on the road teaching, so they're not going to be able to generate the work that perhaps we could. I know that because that's how driveJohnson's started, and I spent many hours trying to counter that problem by sort of staying up till 2-3 a.m. in the morning to obviously compensate for me being out on the roads, and then doing the marketing side of things, the website and the SEO stuff late in the evenings and going into the early hours of the morning. On top of that, we do have lots of excellent trainers that are local to our instructors, which can provide the support that they need for things like their standards check training and any extra training that they need. We also have lots of resources available, so we've got a driving instructor app, we've got a calendar on there, there's lots and lots of features on there. We have a learner app too, where the learner can communicate with the instructor, vice versa. We also have some other apps, something called Roads, where you can kind of almost draw images that are already preset for you, so you can like maneuver a car for turning right from a major to minor road and help the pupil understand. So we've got lots of technology in-house that we're constantly developing and improving on, just to provide that service for our instructors. I've got a question for you, Nikki. How do we help instructors that have perhaps been qualified for 5-10 years, you know, mainly the independent instructors?
Okay, so I deal with a lot of inquiries that come in from independent instructors, and they will tell me that they only have a 3/4 full diary, and we will then act as a top-up for them to get those pupils in. It's a safety net really for when, for example, if a pupil is poorly or that pupils have gone on holiday, the instructors can then count on us to make sure that we do get those pupils coming in for them, and then they pay their franchise fee each week, and we know that we can then support them as needed. And it also takes the hassle out of them advertising themselves in the evening when they get home, when they should be relaxing. You know, we work very closely with our marketing team to ensure that those pupils are where they need to be in the instructor's diary in times of need.
And supporting what Nikki's saying there's many instructors have had a go at the marketing themselves, like they paid for websites, be it Wix or something else, and they haven't, you know, appeared on Google because the person that's built the website is only good at building websites, and their knowledge of getting things on Google isn't particularly good. So I find a lot of instructors come to us when after they've thrown a lot of money at that side of things, and they just want an easy life. They want to do what they're good at, which is teaching kind of 9 till 5, and then switch off afterwards, and that's where we come in. Why does driveJohnson's offer the free trial?
So we offer the free trial because we like to put our money where our mouth is. It's also an opportunity for the instructor to see that we are good for the work in the area. If it's the case that you're not happy after the 2-week trial, then you're free to walk away, so you're not going to lose anything there. If you do decide to stay, and you decide over, a period of a few months or a few years that you're not happy, then you're not tied in for a long period. It is only just 4 weeks notice. During the 2-week trial as well, it also gives us an opportunity to see how the instructor manages their pupils. So there's no point in tying an instructor into a 12-month contract and then things not then going well for them.
It also reduces apprehension. Try and make it nothing to lose, and it's a way of us sort of seeing if we like you, because everyone's got to get along, and obviously we want you to like us. And if we both like each other and we get along and we work well together, then it should be a winning formula, shouldn't it?
So with that being said, Anthony, what is the catch to the free trial?
There's no catch. It's really about us getting to know the instructor, and the instructor getting to know driveJohnson's over the 2 weeks. And then obviously if you join us, we'll continue what we've done in the trial and keep looking after you. The last thing we want is an instructor being with driveJohnson's when they don't want to be. So that's kind of why we make it so easy to join us, but also so easy to leave us too.
We've touched upon it briefly, but can you just go over some of the resources that we have that do help our driving instructors?
Yes, the beauty with us is we're constantly evolving. We've spoken briefly about the Instructor app. It's pretty endless. We're always building on the Instructor app. We've now got that to a stage where it connects to the Learner app, and we also have a progress app as well. So the instructors can now kind of record the progress. We can do things like uploading past pictures through the Instructor app. You can communicate with the office. If you want to change your postcodes, you decide you want to take one off, you can take one off just with a click of a button and let the company know also when you need more pupils. In regards to training side of things, we've got an excellent area of our website called the Training Zone, which is exclusive to just our instructors. I've done countless videos along with some of the other instructors to help you with your standards check training part 3. We also have an ex-DVSA examiner who does the part 3s and standards checks. He's now employed by us. It's taken us quite a long time to find someone that sings from the same song sheet as myself and really cares about people and their success in passing the part 3 and the standards checks. So if you join driveJohnson's, you will have that support in the background from myself, our trainers, Nikki and the office team.